everybody. Look, today we will be doing a 100% human hair wig review. If you want to see what wig it is, then just stay tuned.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just get it.
All right, guys, so the wig that we will be reviewing today is called Denise. Denise is a 100% human hair wig. You can bleach it, perm it, and color it. And it's Brazilian hair. So, the instructions is on the back of how to care for it. This is what the hair look like straight out of the pack. I like it because it's curly, it's soft, it's really soft. On the inside of the wig is constructed with just the adjustable strap back here, and it has no combs in it. So I will be putting combs in it. This is the way it look on the inside, no combs. Okay. So this is what the wig look like. So, let's move it back some. And I will be sewing some combs in this wig. I will be sewing some combs in it. So guys, while I'm trying to get this wig to look like something, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, notification bell. Now y'all already know that I'm not going to wear it the way it came out the pack, right? I thought I would just do this quick video for you guys. Now, it's shedding like a mug. Ooh. It's shedding bad, but that is what wig reviews are for. So, guys, this is what the wig look like. I really don't want, I want to wear it something like counter corner, like this. So if that is the case, okay, is that the way I want to wear it? I want it to be comfortable. So I counter cornered it. And here we are right here. Okay, guys. So, if that is the case, let's take this off. We'll take that off. I love how soft the wig is. I like the length of it because, like I said, this is something to just throw on when I have to make a quick run, and I have to make a quick run, you know, to the store real quick. So I said, may as well show y'all this. I didn't want to be wearing it. Y'all didn't know what it looked like coming straight out the pack. So I'm just going to set this and then I'll be back.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by.
I already know why I got this wig. I already know how I want to wear this wig. This wig was $49.99 at my local beauty supply store, and then they give you 10% off. So, the curls are really soft. Now, guys, even though I got my hair set like this, I'm just going to slip on the wig the way it's supposed to go on. Just the bands back here. So guys, Let's see here. I like the wig because I can wear it a whole bunch of different ways, a whole lot of different ways. So if you're just going to wear it the way, they suggest, you wear it out the pack, it'll look like this, It'll look like this. It's not even bad, wearing it, like this. You see? Yep, this is straight out the pack. But I know that I want some skin to show, a part to show. I want something to show. So that's why I went on to put a part in my head. I am going to tilt this wig just a little bit. And I'm just going to have a little of my part to show. So one of the ear tabs is right here. So just in case you wanted to wear your wig like I have mine on, I switch and turn the wig and the ear tab is right here, okay? That's why I had constructed the cap, or, set my hair the way I set it. I want something that I can wear up, wear down, and of course, after I finish, experimenting on this wig, I'll probably go get another one if it works out. It sheds like nobody's business. Now that's another thing I do not care for. This wig will shed bad. And as time go on, guys, we're going to see if we can put our, soft set products on it. Right now, I'm just going to make a quick run to the store. I just wanted it to look, something like this. Just pinning it down. The curls, the waves. It look nice. I like it as far as how soft the curls is. I want to thank you guys for coming by, spending this morning with me. You guys are the reason why my channel is growing, and I appreciate y'all so much. So thank you for thumbing up, liking, sharing. Thank you guys. So I'm just pinning it down now. Like I said, I'm just going to run to the store real quick. And that's really why I bought the wig, because I want to be able to throw some on, still look cute, comfortable. The wig is light. The cap is big, I will be making my own adjustments on it, like whether putting a band on it or putting combs in it. And but pretty much, guys, I do like the wig. So once again, this is Denise 100% human hair wig at my local beauty supply store. It was $49.99 with 10% off. The curls are soft, no lace, no combs, just an adjustable band. It sheds like crazy, but I do like it. So out of a scale of from 1 to 10, I will give it an 8 or a 9. And that's because of, the shedding and no combs and no lace. So, but I don't care about that. I don't care nothing about that stuff. So guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Thanks for coming by, spending this morning with me. Guys, you are the best. Thank you for watching my videos and thumbing up and liking and sharing my videos. You are the reason why my channel is growing, and I really do appreciate you guys. So leave in the comment section down below if there's anything that I didn't address in this video that you want to know, and let me know if you want to get this week and how it worked out for you. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.